Your AI agent is not slow. Your business is on a sign. If your AI agent is creating more review, more rework, and more confusion, the problem is probably not the model. It is the moment before agent fires, because most businesses did not install AI into a system. They install AI into a hope. And hope has no trigger, no owner, and no next path. Here is the part founders miss. An AI agent does not fix an undefined workflow. It exposes it faster. If nobody knows when the agent is supposed to start, what condition activates it, what input makes it valid, who receives the output, and what happens after that output exists, and the agent is not automation. It is a new delay layers with better branding. That is why teams feel busier after adding AI. The agent produces something, then the human checks it, then another human questions it, then somebody rewrites it, then nobody knows where it goes. That is not productivity. That is execution leakage. The most expensive AI failure is not bad answer. It is an answer with nowhere to go. This is why governance is too soft as the diagnosis. Governance matters, but governance is not the first leakage. The first leakage is firing conditions. When does the agent activate? What exact event tells it to move? A form submission, a missing deadline, a client status change, an unpaid invoice, a sales call transcript, a support ticket crossing a threshold. If the condition is vague, the agent becomes dependent on human memory. And human memory is not infrastructure. And that is where delay hides. Not in the AI, in the undefined space between we have a tool and the tool knows when to act. Comment delay and get your code delay diagnosis scan, because the next leak is even more expensive than the trigger. The second failure is the missing next step, the missing next path. An output is not complete because the agent generated it. An output is complete when it lands in the correct operational sequence. Who owns it? Who approves it? What system receives it? What decision does it unlock? What delay does it terminate? That is the difference between AI activity and AI execution. Founders are measuring whether the agent can produce. Wrong metric. Measure whether the output moves money, removes friction, or closes a loop. If it does not do one of those three things, you did not automate execution. You automated noise. The correction is simple but not optional. Before you deploy another agent, define the firing condition, the owner, the next path, and the termination point. No agent fires without a condition. No output exists without a next path. No human memory carries the system. That is how AI stops becoming another thing your team has to manage. That is how it becomes infrastructure. Comment delay and get your code delay diagnosis.